So today we have planned for ourselves a small trip. We would be going to Neer Mahal. It's around 60 kilometers, let's say, from Agartala. So we'll be enjoying our day and we wish to show you a great experience of our journey. So stay tuned.
So we are en route to Neer Mahal now. We are about 1 hour out. It's 11:20 now. So we'll be hopefully reaching in the next 1 hour by 12:30.
So tell me, like, after how many days are you going to Neer Mahal?
I think I went there as a kid when I was in 4th standard or something.
4th standard?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Class 4 takte gechhilam.
Airport gesos na? Shit, man. I think I went in 2012 probably.
Okay.
With a few of our friends. After 8 years, I'm actually traveling there. So
Nice.
pretty awesome.
For me, it's almost like 1.5 decade.
So we are back here in the same place where we had chai last time. So we're going to take a 5 minutes of break right now and we should be good to go after that. Saibo?
Smoky flavor aske chai.
Amazing.
Aske it has a very distinct smoky flavor. I think ekdam Amir Khan diya banai. They use wood fire.
Wood fire, हाँ.
Yeah.
वही wood fire is flavor था.
Day. Meat যেমন ধর barbecue করলি বা কিছু করলি. So whatever flavor the wood is, for example apple wood or cider wood, that lends a special flavor to the meat itself. তো যে লাকড়ির চুলায় যে রান্না করা হয়, it is much more flavorful than your gas stove or the cylinders that we use.
It's good. Amazing it is. So যাওয়া যাক. আর কতক্ষণ দূর আছে?
About
Half an hour,
31
no?
minutes, yeah. 17 more kilometers to go.
So let's get going. In half an hour more to go. Neer Mahal কত দূরে আছে?
এদিক থেকে 7 কিলোমিটার
7 কিলোমিটার?
Thank
Thank you. ওই টার্নিংটা কই? এই রাস্তাটাই। ভাই এক্সপেক্ট করছি না কিন্তু অনেক মানুষ আছে। So guys, finally we are here. Seems like it's very crowded. I did not expect that it should be that crowded. Chalo, let's go and take the tickets. The boating service, as you can see, and there is Neer Mahal. I think the distance is around 10 minutes of journey from here. Neer Mahal, meaning water palace, is a former royal palace built by the Maharaja of Tripura. The palace is situated in the middle of Rudrasagar Lake and it's made in 1930s. Talking about the architecture, the palace is the largest of its kind in India and it's the only in Eastern India. It's so huge that it cannot be fit in a single frame on a standard camera unless you are at a distance from the entrance. The Maharaja of Tripura accredited the British company Martin and Burns to construct the palace for him. The company took 9 years to complete the palace. Known as the Lake Palace of Tripura, Neer Mahal was constructed as a summer residence for the kingdom. So we have just arrived in the place. It's damn crowded right now and there are lots of people at this moment. Chalo, let's go and explore right now. तुझे कब असली है ना लास्ट?
4th standard 2002 2001 2
2012 में मना আসলাম তো 2012 এ
dining hall or something.
Which one? This one? Oh yeah. Dining hall. ভাই এখানে মানে ডাইনিং হল এটা এই জিনিসটা বয় কেমনে তারা?
আমার মনে হয় এটা পুরো ভিতরে আর কি দরজা দিয়ে বন্ধ আছে। This is also ভুলভুলাইয়া.
Oh, seems like a ভুলভুলাইয়া. Oh wow. Look at this view out here. এই দিক দিয়ে চল। এই জায়গাটা মনে হয় তার জগিং ট্র্যাক। Amazing, man. I think from here it looks amazing, this place. I wish there was very less crowd today. More 1 or 2 hours. The sun is about to set. এখনো এরকম কোনো improvement is not there, but still the place is good. আর ভাই কফি কত কইরা?
10 টাকা হইয়া ভাই।
তাহলে দুইটা কফি দাও।
আমি পড়াশোনা করি, এইটাও করি, এটা দিয়ে পড়াশোনা করি।
আচ্ছা তুমি ক্লাস 8 এ পড়ো?
9 এ পড়ি।
9 এ কোন স্কুলে?
মেলাঘর বয়েস।
ও
বাচ্চাটা 8th স্ট্যান্ডার্ডে পড়ে, 9th স্ট্যান্ডার্ডে।
হ্যাঁ
দিনের বেলা চাটা বিক্রি করে তারপরে পড়াশোনা করে। মানে people like this, you know,
কফিটাও ভালো কিন্তু।
put things into perspective. মানে মানুষের এত প্রবলেম আছে, এত সাফারিং আছে, আমরা ছোট প্রবলেম নিয়ে খুব চিন্তা ভাবনা করি, এত টেনশন নিই, বাট there's always people who are suffering much more than you, working much harder than you, which actually puts life and things into perspective.
This is behind the scenes. বাকি ডিও তো আমরা দেখতে হইব। So we are going till the last tower out there. All the way till the last tower we are going. Made it all the way till the end right now. And what's the time now? It's almost 3.
It's almost 3.
So right now
We'll be
one more hour and I think we'll be having the sunset. We won't be waiting for it, but we'll be leaving because we are very hungry right now.
আমি কইতাছি এখান থেকে তারা you can jump there and then jump there and then jump there. It's like parkour. It's like an art form where you go from point A to point B in the most innovative way.
How we don't think to furnishing করে at least they could have made it like a wedding destination place. What do you
I guess wedding photography is happening here.
wedding photography happens but it's not a wedding place, right? কিন্তু ওয়েডিং প্লেসের মধ্যে কনভার্ট করলে কিন্তু এই জিনিসটা ভালো আইডিয়া।
Like Chandramahal.
ও চন্দ্রমহলের মতো এই জিনিসটা একটা ওয়েডিং প্লেস হয়ে গেল গা। তোর একটা ডেস্টিনেশন ওয়েডিং এখানে বল। It's a wrap up right now. All done? Now?
Yep. Heading out.
So almost done. So actually all done. And we'll be now heading over, sailing back to the ghat. What is that? Ghat we call?
Yeah.
Sailing back to the ghat. So that pretty much wraps up the video for the day. I think we had an amazing day out here today in Nirmahal, exploring the place and revisiting it once again after a very long time. That's it. If you have enjoyed the video so far, don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe. If you have not subscribed it, then please hit the subscription button. It's completely free. And we'll see you in a different vlog on a different day. So till then, bye bye.